Dabba Gosht, a traditional rich recipe made specially to celebrate occasions like the forthcoming Ramzan Eid. This is my variation with a nutrition touch to make you enjoy your Eid in a healthier manner. We've taken half kilo boneless mutton with vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, capsicums, onion, lime, coriander, mint, cashews, and eggs. First, cut the well washed mutton into small pieces. Add salt, ginger garlic paste, the dry masalas like the cumin powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, garam masala, which is a mix of all the whole spices. Mix it well. Take a pressure cooker, heat it, put the mutton and the spices. Stir well with a spoon for some time till the raw flavor of the mutton develops into the brownness of the mutton. Add onions, please add coriander. Put 1 cup of water. Cover the pressure cooker and cook for 3 whistles and on sim for 10 minutes. And the mutton will be cooked into a tender mass. Friends, mutton is a favored first class protein amongst the red meats. Rich in first class proteins with a good amount of B complex, especially B12 and iron. When combined with vegetables like tomatoes, carrots, capsicums, coriander, mint, peas, this becomes a wholesome recipe to be enjoyed on special occasions without that guilt. Using 1 cup of water and a cooking time of 10 minutes, this mutton will be tender. While we allow the water to dry, we'll make a paste of cashew nuts with curds. So this cashew nut and curd paste will lend a flavor and a smooth texture and thickness to the mutton vegetable mix. We've used no fat to cook the mutton. So there will be some amount of fat which will be got from the mutton and the cashew nut mix as well. Now slice your capsicum and your carrots. Add part of these vegetables to the mutton and cashew nut mix and let it thicken. Once your vegetables are chopped, layer the well cooked mutton into the glass dish. Beat 3 eggs, keep them ready. Now layer the mutton well cooked with the vegetables into the glass dish. Put your coriander and mint. Layer with the sliced capsicums and tomatoes. Remember that capsicums, tomatoes and peas are going to give you fiber with vitamin A, carotenoids, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, and make this dish a very wholesome, healthy dish. The addition of lime helps to convert the iron into the usable form which the human body absorbs. Keep your oven to preheat at 200 degrees centigrade 5 minutes before you prepare your dish. Layer the beaten eggs. Heat the 3 spoons of cow ghee that we've used and sprinkle sizzling hot onto the egg and mutton dish. Now bake your dabba gosht for 10 minutes and be ready to enjoy a plate full of happiness, good health. Celebrate this incoming Eid with your loved ones with happiness and joy. Serve with hot chapatis or naan with a good portion of salads. If you like my kind of recipes for everyday use with the nutrition knowledge being imparted, do not forget to share, subscribe and spread joy amongst friends and families too.